How can you safely manage user access in Alto's POS and inventory system? Go to the back office, open Users, then Access Rights. Select the role assigned to the user. Under the back office section, check Manage POS Devices. If it's not checked, turn it on and tap Save. Next, send the user an invitation. Go to Users, then User List. Select the user. At the bottom of the screen, tap Send Invitation. This option appears only if the user's email address is added. An email invitation is sent right away. When the user taps the registration link, they are taken to Sign Up page. Here they can create their account using an email and password. After signing up, the user enters the back office. If they have access, they can switch to the point of sale. Just tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose POS. And that's it. Easy setup, secure access, full control with Alto's POS and inventory system.